Hey guys, so finally we got our package from White Square, which is the Arcade Facilitator program, and it's time to unbox this and let's see what we get from this package. ओके सो लेट्स सी क्या क्या मिला है और किस चीज़ का क्या काम है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद बैकपैक. जी हाँ, तो ये है बैकपैक फ्रॉम गूगल क्लाउड. It's a very beautiful actually texture and all the things, the design of the bag. We have laptop slot also for the special that one. We also have the USB port here and some of two pockets to the side, this one and this one, and one pocket here, then a chain pocket, and done. Very beautiful bag. Then the logo, very important one actually. Then let's see this hoodie. Yeah, it's a Google Cloud hoodie and nothing more actually to show that. हाँ, यहाँ पर भी एक लोगो है एक्चुअली, हैंड पर भी एक लोगो है हुडी पर इसके. देन नेक्स्ट क्या दिखाओ, हाँ ये है, ये दिस वन. Don't know why what is the work of exactly this bag. It's just a pocket actually, nothing more than that. And the next thing is हाँ, ये laptop sleek. Actually it's very large, and as you can see in this also, it's very soft and smooth. There is one more use of this slack. We can keep this slack as this, and then we can fold this out. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay, now you can see we can fold this out like this one, like this, and we can keep it like this, and we can keep our laptop on this angle, so we can use it easily. And that's all. And next is a very cute one, alarm clock. It's a emoji alarm clock, we can say that. As we keep our hands, or as we bring this, or as we keep the movement this, it will change the emoji based on that our movement. Here is a button for it, and actually we can set two alarms in this alarm clock. There is a one more music option, sound volume up and volume down option, and type C port to charge and all things. There is a mic also. It's a cute one. Haha. Next is, let's see this, a bottle. A bottle, no, sorry, not a bottle. It's a coffee mug, we can say that. To make a coffee, as a programmer we need coffee. We need coffee. It's from the Google Cloud. We have a button here, so as we press the button, it will start, and if we once again click it here, it will start to, okay, oh sorry, it's a magnet. It's a magnet. If I bring this out, as you can see, this, it's a magnet actually. If I fall down this, it will automatically stick there, say in the center. If I start, it will start to rotate and all things. It's beautiful actually. It's a mechanism and all things, a great one. And the next is like a Google Cloud cleaner like a brush tool for laptop cleaning and all, and the keyboard cleaning, some of other devices like mouse cleaning and mobile cleaning device, mobile screen. And finally we have in our bag is that these 4 pens. Actually all the pens are not colorful yet, they all are black colors. It's very beautiful looking. It matches the Google's logo and its color actually, therefore it's very special. And need some of type C cables for this electronic stuffs. There is a actually it's type C port from here, as you can see here. There is a type C port to charge this coffee machine. And that's all for now.